Actor and reality TV personality Siddharth Shukla died yesterday at the age of 40. His sudden demise has come as a massive shock to everyone from the film industry. He had many fans, and the Cooper Hospital will hand over the actor's mortal remains to his family today. In view of this development, heavy security personnel have been deployed outside the Cooper Hospital. The actor's last rites will be performed today. The latest news that we're getting to you right now is that on your screens you can see the visuals of the heavy police deployment outside the Cooper Hospital. The post-mortem has been conducted of the late actor Siddharth Shukla. What we're getting right now to understand is that his body will be handed over to the family after the report is made known. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Yesha to give us more inputs. Yesha, what are you tracking for us? What's the latest information on ground?
So right now we are here right outside the Cooper Hospital. This is the place where his post-mortem was conducted. Now, maybe say in another half an hour or so, his family would be coming to take his body from here. It will be taken to his residence, following which the last rites will be performed. We are seeing that the ambulance is also ready right next to the post-mortem center from where it will be taken. Now this development has taken place ever since yesterday. Approximately until 7 p.m. last night was when his post-mortem was on, following which his family decided to not conduct his last rites last night and had informed the police about the same. So right now we see there's a tight bandobast because we'd see that his family would be here. Also at his residence at Oshiwara, we'd be expecting that there'd be a lot more movement, there'd be some celebrities would be visiting, because yesterday as well we had seen a lot of people visiting his residence as well as at Cooper Center, specifically because he'd been a TV actor and was closely well connected to a lot of actors in the TV circle as well. We've seen people such as Rahul Mahajan also visiting his residence as well as Cooper Hospital. You can see some movement right here behind me. There have been police which are ready here because it was last night itself wherein police officials had confirmed that the post-mortem is done. However, the details of post-mortem report have not been revealed yet, either by the police or by the hospital authorities. It's been said that it's awaited. There are certain details which are yet to be examined, as a result of which only then the post-mortem report would be shared. But he was among the actors who was just rising to fame. We'd seen him getting limelight during the Balika Vadhu shoot as well, following which he was the winner of Bigg Boss Season 3. And as a result of which he was also making his mark in the Bollywood, which we'd seen yesterday when Varun Dhawan had also visited his residence.
Yes, he was making a mark in Bollywood. He has been loved and will be missed by scores of fans who are left heartbroken after hearing of his demise yesterday. Because Bollywood has lost many actors in the past 1 year. We have seen so many actors losing their lives, and Bollywood is in this mourning stage in the last 1 year. We are seeing right now, and another actor gone too soon, Siddharth Shukla.
That's right. It wasn't really expected that, at a young age of 40, he would pass away. Even yesterday, when his friends had particularly gathered at this particular location or even at his house, they said it was hard for them to believe that he passed away so soon, because as we understand that his actual cause of death is not yet known. It was preliminarily said heart attack, but when we actually spoken to hospital authorities, they said that when he was brought in here, his pulse was missing, as a result of which they declared him dead. But what we understand from his friends was that he was a lively person, very close to his family, to his friends. We'd seen he had an opinion to voice. Also looking at his social media handles, he would voice his opinion on various current issues as well. So it is actually a loss of a star that the entire television industry is mourning. Of course, he was mainly known in television circles because of the serials that he did, because of the soaps that he was working on, basically primetime shows that he was a part of, and also considering he was a household name, having worked in various reality shows as well. What is pertinent to note is people are actually questioning that a fit actor such as him, because he was known for his fitness, he had participated in reality shows such as Khatron Ke Khiladi as well, and considering he was known for his fitness, a question such as this, that he's passed away too soon, also raises questions among his circles, because as it's been mentioned by his family that Late in the night, yeah, day before yesterday at 3:30, he had complained of chest pain, following which he taken
Yes.
certain medicines, was given water also by his mother. Next morning, he complained of the same again, and which is when he was brought to the hospital. Yes, Crispino.
Yes, sir, we are waiting for that report, the post-mortem report, to come out, and in a couple of minutes from now, you will see that the body will be handed over to the family this morning. When are we expecting the last rites to be held as well?
So what we understand preliminary right now from the hospital authorities and the police as well, they had informed that approximately 9 to 10 o'clock was when his family would be coming over to take his dead body from here, following which they have certain rituals to be performed at their residence. Only then will his last rites take place, and which is when, so approximately after 10 o'clock is when there'll be movement at this hospital. Yes.
Yes, we will be tracking all those developments very closely. Thank you, Yasha, for joining us. Siddharth Shukla, no more. His last rites will be held today in Mumbai.